All right, so do you know that there's a new way you can get verified suppliers contact on WeChat? You don't want to miss this, right? If you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you're a returning viewer, I love you so much. Okay, you know I always bring the best for you guys. Okay, so I found out this new method of getting verified suppliers contact on WeChat. Okay, the suppliers are on WeChat. All right, so if this video interests you, do well to watch till the end and follow the step-by-step process I'll be doing in this video to do yours as well. Follow me. I'm in my WeChat app now. If you don't have WeChat, you need to download WeChat and get someone to verify it for you. I do that service as well if you need one. Okay, so in my WeChat app now, where do I go? So follow this video and then step by step you understand. See this third one here. You know, we have chat, we have contact, and this third one here, okay, discover. You click on discover, then here you click on search. Can you see search? Click on search. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Show me love. Okay, and if you are a returning viewer, always know that I love you so much. Okay, so here now we'll type in whatever we want to contact that we are looking for. Okay, so let's say bags, right? Let's say bags. Okay, then you click on search at the top right corner. Okay, click on search. All right, so let's wait. Okay, can you see that it has brought bags? Can you see designer bags and all? Can you see bags? See bags. Oh my god. Okay, so let's open this one. Here. Okay, this one. Let's see what we have here. So now you want to get their contact. How do you get this people's contact? How do you get these people's contacts? What you need to do now, this is their profile. This right here is their profile. If you click it, that will take you to their back page where you see all the videos that they have uploaded and all. And you can see here, you see Dior is a branded bag, designer bag. Okay, so what do we do from here? If you want to message the supplier, you can click this icon here. You can click this one here if you want to message the supplier. Okay, and if you don't click here, you can also click on the profile, which is here, to check their back end. And let's go. Let me click it now. Can you see we have follow, we have message? You can decide to follow this supplier, you can decide to follow, you can decide to message. But for us now, we want to get the contact, right? We want to get the contact, so you click on this message. You click on message. Okay, so let's click on message, and then you type in, please give me your WeChat ID. Okay, just type please WeChat ID. Just send it. Don't send message twice. If you send it twice, you know that WeChat is very strict. Until this person reply, you cannot send another message. Until this supplier reply now, I cannot send another one. Okay, so let's go back. When you send message like this, by the time you come back later to check, you see that they will have sent you a message. Like they will definitely drop their WeChat ID for you. Okay, okay, so let's look for another one. See bags now. See bags. Let's click on this. Can you see these beautiful bags? Okay, so you can also, as well as click the, don't forget to click the this is their profile name, so you can go there and then check or message the supplier and or see the beautiful bags they have. Okay, all you just need to do is to message. Just type in WeChat ID. You can see some people sent you a message or reach out to me on WeChat. Can you see WeChat ID is Wenaston? What the type? Can you see it here? He already gave his WeChat ID here. Can you see it? So me, I will screenshot this now because I'll definitely get back from this supplier. Okay, so let's look for another product. Let's look for another product.
let me say women shoes, women shoes. Okay, then I click on search. Okay, so can you see shoes, can you see shoes, can you see shoes? Okay, so there are 1001, over 1 million suppliers that sells shoes and all. So but there are things that you must do. Oh. Don't just get the contact and buy from them directly. Oh, there are things you must do, because these people too, they are they are not pure like that. Oh, so for you to be able to buy from them, you know, there are steps you need to take. Don't just chat them up. They give you quotation, you say, like, I want this one, then the next thing you send them money. Be very very careful. I'm not the one that send you that one. No, if you want to know what to do, send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, send me a message on WhatsApp. You can search for anything you like. So if this video interests you, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you.